Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this Moody Red Color Grading in CapCut. So first, just add your clips and then go to the filter. On the live category, add this Sicily filter to 100. Click on adjust. Now set the brightness to -6. And then the contrast 20, the exposure lower it to -10. Then click on the HSL. For the red color, set the hue to 8 and the saturation 60, luminance -55. Now on the orange, set the hue to -45, saturation 60, and then the luminance 35. On the yellow color, set the hue to -55, and then the saturation increase it to 12. And click for the green, light blue, purple, and the rest of the color, lower the saturation to -100, all of it. Okay, go back and then click on a shadow, set it to 7, and then the fade 11, and you are done. And here is the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.